Colored Pencil Basics, Lesson 5, Applying Values. In this lesson, students are going to apply knowledge of colored pencil techniques to create a study that shows a range of color and value. The challenge is to create a small study of a sphere using colored pencil. The first step is to draw a circle at least 2 inches in diameter on a sheet of 6-inch by 9-inch drawing paper. You'll draw a horizontal line behind it. This is going to represent the edge of a table. And 3, using colored pencils to render the circle into a sphere using a full range of values. You may use as many colors you like and any colored pencil techniques you have studied. You're going to use colored pencils to render the background and the table. Do not forget to cast shadow of the sphere. And finally, label the back of the paper with your name, class, and date when finished. So here we have drawing the circle of at least 2 inches in diameter on a sheet of 6 by 9 drawing paper and the horizontal line behind it. This is going to represent the edge of a table. Now as I go through these, you will notice I use certain colors. The colors you choose are up to you. This is just one way of doing this assignment. Used yellow and light green are used to begin the value study. Notice the shadow on the table is starting to form as well. The darker green is added to develop the shadows further, all the way at the edge of the table and on the sphere, as well as the shadow on the table. Brown is added to darken in some of the shadows as well. It is also used to separate color of the table from that of the ball. Blue and orange are added to the background space behind the ball and the table. Using both together is going to desaturate the color and help it recede into the background. You want that ball to stand out. The table is then burnished using a tan colored pencil. Yellow and brown together may work as well. Blue and green are then burnished for the shadows on the table and a little bit in the background, as you can see. Red, green, and blue are added to the shadows on the ball. Lighter values on the ball are enhanced with yellow, light green, and green. The background is burnished then with a colorless blender. So far, all of the other burnishing that has gone on has been with specific colored pencils. Darker values are pushed further with blue and brown. And finally, the table area needed to be scraped away a little bit with a hobby knife, then tan and yellow burnished in. This makes the table just a little lighter and enhances that shadow from the ball. The background is darkened to further bring out the highlight on the ball. You get to choose the colors for your drawing. They do not have to be the same as mine. I'm looking for you to apply what you know about colored pencils to create a range of value in a creative and layered manner.